Okay guys, today we're doing our first Nerf gun game. So, me and Leo, we start with jolts. Let's go. Whoa, there he is. Whoa, ah! He got me in the leg, guys. Ah! He got... Ah. Yes.
Dropped our jolt.
Don't need that anymore. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. He just walked right by. Oh. Oh, he's right there. Ah, headshot. Ah.
Got my new blaster, my strong arm, and we're ready to go. Okay, where is he? Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay guys, let's ambush him. Whoa, he's already there. Okay guys. Oh! Ah! He keeps missing, guys. He keeps missing. I think he's out of darts. He is.
No.
Okay, guys. That was a little weird. Look, there's my jolt. And there's his jolt. There's a dart. Let's turn right here. Okay, guys, he's coming. Missed. Oh, he got my arm, guys. He got my arm. Oh, he got me, guys. No, no.
Yeah, strike. Okay, where'd he go? Whoa! Drop. Oh my god, he's right there. Ah, he hit me. Hit me in the arm. No, please. Wait. No. No. Okay, we got away.
No.
It's the FBI. No!
Okay, guys, got the strife now, and let's go. Sorry about that. I'm ready now. Okay, guys, that was kind of a failed mission. Oh, I'm out. I can't get my mag out. I'm behind the... Ah, there he is. Come on, Nerf.
Nerf Ultra 2. Ultra's an amazing series. Oh my god, he's rushing me. What? This is the loudest Nerf blaster ever. Oh! His puppy. Hi, puppy. Back to the battle. Oh my gosh. It's the loudest thing ever. Oh my god. Go. He's right there. Oh my gosh. No. You got me. I'm out. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No.
Okay, guys. There's a dog right here. Hey, dog. I got my Ultra 2 now, and I'm ready to destroy that guy. So let's go. This one isn't as loud as the other one. Oh, God, he's right there. I'm out of rounds. No, right.
Yes, rapid strike. Full auto. Full auto, powerful blasting. Still has the Ultra 2. Here we go. I got an 18 dart magazine, so I'm good to blast my rounds. Jam, 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 jam. Oh no. Fixed. It's a quick fix jam. Ooh, it's a Rev intimidation battle. I'm gonna waste my batteries. Oh, you got me! Right in the stomach! Ah! Ah!
Okay, guys, I got this rapid strike. It's super heavy while holding in one hand. Here was my Ultra 2, and it had a scope on it just for fun. But let's go. I'm actually gonna extend this stock out. There we go. Now it's a little more comfortable in one hand. No red really at all. I can't get him. A little too far for this puny old rapid strike to hit him. But this rapid strike is actually in bad condition anyway. So it's even worse than his. But mine does have a little bit quicker rev than his. I don't know what's wrong with that other one. Let's get him. Oh, frick. I don't know if I know I have a couple rounds left. I only have a couple rounds left, so let's get this magazine out. Whoa. Can't get him. What's with your jams, boy?
No! No, please!
Oh, shoot, I can't get him. Oh, God, this shit not good. No, no, no.
No!
What is happening? Bro, he's gonna keep jamming. I'll just switch to this strike, because rapid strike isn't doing too hot. Oh, swing, swing, camera. Oh, jeez. Whoa! Oh! Ah! You got me.
Final weapon. Lightsaber. He's out. He's back there. He's got double. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go like this. Just gotta run, just gotta run. Time to win this. Need to use this. Need to block his darts. No! He's gonna hit me no matter what. Just a Nerf blaster. No! You gotta block his darts. No, please! No! No! Ah!
Okay, guys, I actually have to already switch my hands, but I'm ready. Oh, look, there's a dart in the dog bowl. Okay, I'm ready with my lightsaber. So this is the last weapon we're gonna be using. Oh, there he is. Don't make the fake sound. Don't even bother. Take this, you viewer.
I'm no evil doer, it's you.
Take this. Leg. Oh, he blocked. Take this. Yeah, yeah. Wait. Oh, he almost stabbed me right there. Oh, he's doing some crazy maneuvers. Ah! I'm just trying to do my fencing skills. Oh god. Okay, I got him, guys. Hey guys, I won. Not this guy. This guy has those wimpy lightsabers, and then I got this thing.
No, not that.
No. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and put on notifications.
You support a small business.
Support a small business.
We're not making any money.
If we get 1,000 subs, we will be a small business by making like $50 a month.
Indeed.
Thanks for watching, guys.